What if your daily job required walking straight into the mouth of a hungry shark? One mistake, and it's over. Yet deep beneath the ocean, a tiny fish no bigger than your finger does exactly that every single day. Welcome to Universanet Travel. Today, we're uncovering the bravest workers in the sea and discovering where you can witness this incredible behavior in real life. The bravest fish. Meet the Cleaner Wrasse, the ocean's fearless dentist. Instead of hiding from predators, it swims directly into the mouths and gills of sharks, giant groupers, moray eels, and even sea turtles. Its mission? To remove parasites, bacteria, dead skin, and leftover food. In return, the predators spare its life. This ancient partnership has existed for millions of years and keeps coral reefs healthy.
Imagine walking into the mouth of a hungry shark, not to escape, but to go to work. One wrong move, one sudden bite, and your life is over. Yet every single day, deep beneath the ocean's surface, a tiny fish no longer than your finger swims directly into the mouths of some of the world's deadliest predators. Sharks, giant groupers, moray eels, and barracudas. Instead of becoming food, it becomes their dentist. Welcome to Universanet Travel. Today, we're exploring one of nature's most unbelievable partnerships and discovering why this tiny fish is one of the bravest creatures on Earth. Chapter 1. Meet the Ocean's Dentist. This remarkable little fish is called the blue streak Cleaner Wrasse. At only about 10 centimeters long, it seems insignificant compared to the massive predators surrounding it, but appearances can be deceiving. Every morning, Cleaner Wrasses establish what scientists call cleaning stations along coral reefs. These underwater clinics attract an incredible list of clients. Reef sharks, giant groupers, moray eels, sea turtles, barracudas, even massive manta rays. The predators approach peacefully and wait patiently for their turn. Then something extraordinary happens. The Cleaner Wrasse swims directly into their mouths, around razor-sharp teeth, and even inside their gills. There, it removes parasites, dead skin, bacteria, and leftover food. It's one of the most dangerous jobs on the planet, yet it happens thousands of times every day.
Chapter 2. Why don't sharks eat them? 220 to 410. So why doesn't the shark simply snap its jaw shut? The answer is millions of years of evolution. Scientists call this relationship mutualism. Both species benefit. The shark receives a full health check, parasite removal, and cleaner skin. The Cleaner Wrasse receives a safe and reliable food source. Researchers have even observed sharks remaining perfectly still with their mouths wide open for several minutes while multiple cleaner fish work inside. Breaking this ancient agreement would come at a cost. If predators regularly attacked cleaner fish, the cleaners would stop servicing them. Without cleaners, parasites multiply, infections increase, and fish become weaker. In many reefs, Cleaner Wrasses are considered essential to the health of the entire ecosystem. Sometimes, the smallest worker performs the biggest job. Chapter 3. Other Tiny Heroes of the Ocean, 410 to 610. Cleaner Wrasses aren't the only fearless underwater workers. Cleaner shrimp operate similar cleaning stations. With long white antennae waving like advertisements, they invite fish to stop by for a full cleaning service. Even dangerous lionfish patiently wait while tiny shrimp crawl over their bodies and inside their mouths. Then there's the goby and the pistol shrimp. The shrimp is an expert builder, but almost blind. The goby has excellent eyesight. Together, they form one of nature's best partnerships. While the shrimp digs a safe burrow, the goby stands guard. At the first sign of danger, one flick of the goby's tail sends both rushing to safety. Another incredible resident is the pearlfish. During the day, it hides inside sea cucumbers for protection. At night, it leaves its unusual shelter to feed before returning home before sunrise. Nature is filled with partnerships built on trust and survival.
Chapter 4. The Best Places to Witness This Wonder, 610 to 750. If seeing this incredible behavior is on your bucket list, several destinations offer unforgettable opportunities. Raja Ampat, Indonesia, often called the Amazon of the seas, is home to some of the world's richest marine biodiversity. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia offers famous cleaning stations where giant potato cod patiently wait for Cleaner Wrasses. The crystal-clear waters of the Maldives provide amazing encounters with reef sharks and manta rays visiting cleaning stations. Egypt's Red Sea, especially around Ras Mohammed National Park, is another world-class destination for divers and snorkelers. And Zanzibar, Tanzania, combines beautiful tropical beaches with vibrant coral reefs, making it perfect for travelers seeking both wildlife and relaxation. Each location offers a front-row seat to one of nature's most fascinating performances. Chapter 5. Why These Tiny Fish Matter, 7:50 to 9 o'clock. Cleaner fish are much more than curious ocean creatures. They are doctors of the reef. Healthy coral ecosystems depend on them. As climate change warms the oceans, parasites and diseases become more common. Without cleaner fish, many reef species would suffer. Marine scientists have even found that reefs without cleaner wrasses often have lower fish diversity and poorer ecosystem health. Protecting these tiny fish means protecting entire coral reef communities. Sometimes, saving the ocean begins with protecting its smallest heroes.
Nature constantly reminds us that courage isn't measured by size. Every day, these tiny fish swim into the mouths of predators, not because they're fearless, but because millions of years of evolution have created one of the most extraordinary partnerships on Earth. It's a breathtaking reminder that cooperation can be just as powerful as strength. If this documentary amazed you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible stories from around the world. And here's today's question. Would you trust a shark enough to swim inside its mouth? Tell us your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching Universanet Travel. Until next time, keep exploring the extraordinary.